Back, the time's now 8:13. The Saints take on the Bengals this weekend, and with Joe Burrow taking on the black and gold, no doubt there will be quite a few watch parties, tailgate parties this Sunday. But you don't have to stress about the whole cleanup process. A local cleaning expert is here with some hacks to make preparation and pickup after the party easier so you can actually enjoy yourself. We want to welcome Noelle Presley, the owner of Gulf Coast Shimmer and Shine. She has some great tips. We've already talked about some things to help make your watch party awesome. Noelle, thank you for being with us this morning. And you have props. We'll go over those in just a few moments. Yes. But let's first start. You were telling me with the big thing is trash. Don't have one trash can. You said kind of have a few options so it doesn't become a big issue later on down the line.
That's right, Kelsey. So I would suggest to always have designated spaces in the congregated areas of trash cans, larger trash cans, to make it simple for you so that, you know, you can have your guests just throw things away, not pile up in the kitchen like a lot of times it does, and then you're constantly changing out that trash bag. The best thing to do is have those, you know, set up and make it simple. We want to keep it stress-free.
The other thing we talked about, and I know you want to enjoy yourself with your guests, and so you don't want to be cleaning the whole time, but maybe designate a few points throughout the game, halftime maybe, to do kind of a pass around the house, and designate a friend or family member or two to help you make that pass during those breaks, right?
That's right. Don't be afraid to ask for help. You know, have your sister, have your friend help you keep up throughout the process. This way, for you at the end, it will be simpler and it won't be so much on you and such a mess to have to deal with at the end of it.
Let's go to your props here. You have a couple items here that you said are good just to have in the house. You don't have to go out and buy a bunch of stuff, and they help keep your spaces clean, especially those common areas. What do you have here, and how can people use them?
So we have the Clorox disinfectant wipes. That's to help with, you know, in the bathrooms, helping your guests incorporate keeping it clean with you as well. This way they can just do a quick wipe, you know, in the restroom. This is just Dawn in your house, Dawn, a dollop of Dawn, vinegar, water. This is just for a quick clean throughout and, you know, spruce up in between. Then we have the votive candles. That's to keep lit in the restrooms to help with fragrance and smells. And then just microfiber. You can get these at your local store. This way, you know, it's easy to use and easy to clean up with.
And another really good tip you left me with, and I was like, I'm going to use that one. If you are cooking, you try to clean up the kitchen before guests come, but sometimes you get a little behind. You said your grandmother gave you an awesome tip that you share with people. What is that one?
That's right. My grandma always taught when we have big parties to literally, you know, fill up the sink with hot soapy water and just put your dishes in there. Make it simple so at the end, all you have to do is load your dishwasher and you're on your go. So it's, you know, it always stuck with me, and it's helped me.
And that way you're not trying to scrub pots at the end. They've been soaking while you've been watching the party and enjoying your guests, and then you rinse them off real quick and put them in the dishwasher, right?
That's right.
Any other really cool tips that you want to leave people with? Again, you want people to have a good time. You don't want the host to feel stressed and having to be cleaning the whole time. Anything else you want to recommend to people as they plan for this weekend and football season?
That's right. I would keep it simple. Just keep it as simple as possible. Make it stress-free for yourself so you can enjoy it at the same time as your guests are enjoying it. This way everybody can root for the team and have a great time.
And I love that. The votive candle is a really good idea, and that again, Dawn vinegar, and that could keep your countertops clean throughout the day too, so you don't have a bunch of dried on messes at the end of the game.
That's right, and it's safe, you know.
All right, well, Noelle, we appreciate your time. Hopefully this helps someone feel a little less stressed if they're considering having a party this weekend or throughout football season. All right,
thank you.
Go Saints. All right.